ಕುಡ್ಲಡು ಸುದ್ದಿಗೋಷ್ಠಿ ಪಾತ್ರರೊಂದು ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ಪರಿಗಣಿತ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ದೇರ್ಲಕಟ್ಟೆ ಕೆಎಸ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಕಾಲೇಜದ ಒಟ್ಟಾರಡು 13ನೇ ಘಟಿಕೋತ್ಸವ ನವೆಂಬರ್ 4 ತಾರೀಕಿಗೆ ಶನಿವಾರ ಬಯ್ಯ 4 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ನಡಪೆರ ಉಂಡು ಪಣದು ಕುಲಪತಿಲು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಂಎಸ್ ಮೂಡಿತಾಯರು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ವಿವರ ಕೊರಿಯರು.
Season's greeting from Nitte University. As you all know, the annual convocation is supposed to be the most important event that is held at the university, because it is during the annual convocation that we distribute the graduation certificates to graduates with messages from different personalities. The Honorable Chancellor Shri N.V. Hegde is going to preside over the annual convocation, and as you have been informed earlier, Dr. Umid Ansari, the Executive Director for International Affairs of Pennsylvania State University, Harrisburg, USA, is going to deliver the convocation address. During this convocation, the 13th convocation, Justice N. Santosh Hegde and Sri Shashikiran Shetty, both are the proud sons of this soil. They are going to be awarded the degree of Doctor of Science honoris causa. As you know, Justice N. Santosh Hegde is someone who is respected in the field of judiciary to a very great extent, and his contributions to the field of judiciary is well known. Justice Santosh Hegde, having served as the Justice of Supreme Court and also later the Lokayukta of Karnataka, has made a name for himself, and we are all proud of his achievements. Similarly, Sri Shashikiran Shetty, who is the founder chairman of Alcargo group of companies and also chairman of the board of governors of IIM Mumbai, is also going to be awarded the honoris causa. Shashikiran Shetty is a big name in the field of logistics and supply chain management. You all know that recently Alcargo, a year back, Alcargo took over even the Gati Limited, and in the field of logistics, Shashikiran is a big name to reckon with. The company has operations in nearly 180 countries, and we are proud to recognize his achievements during the convocation, and he would also be awarded the degree of honoris causa. And the convocation would be attended by Professor M. Shantaram Shetty and Sri Vishal Hegde, the pro-chancellors of the university. And ladies and gentlemen, I am very happy to inform you that as a university we have come a long way. You all know that this is the 13th convocation. Nitte University is part of Nitte Education Trust, which was started in the year 1979. As you all know, during the last more than 4 decades of the journey of the Nitte group of institutions, we have come a long way from starting a small high school at Nitte. Today, Nitte group has nearly 43 institutions, nearly 25,000 students, and we are operating from 3 large campuses in Nitte, Mangalore and Bangalore. I must tell you that Mangalore campus institutions were brought together to form the Nitte deemed to be university. That was in the year 2008, and therefore this is the 13th convocation we are having. Ladies and gentlemen, Nitte University year before last year sought recognition for the Nitte campus as an off-campus center of the university. Accordingly, the Ministry of Education has given that recognition, and now all the institutions being run at the Nitte campus are part of Nitte University. Accordingly, the engineering programs, all the engineering programs in the engineering college, and the commerce and management programs in the First Aid College, the MBA program at Justice K.S. Hegde Institute of Management, and recently even the Hospitality Service Management Institute that you have started at the Padil campus, they are all part of the Nitte University now. You all know that this is the 13th convocation. Nitte University is part of Nitte Education Trust, which was started in the year 1979. As you all know, during the last more than 4 decades of the journey of the NITE group of institutions, we have come a long way from starting a small high school at NITE.
ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ಪರಿಗಣಿತ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯಡು ಬೇತೆ ಬೇತೆ ಕೋರ್ಸುಲೆಡು ಅರ್ಹರಾಯಿನ 1254 ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಪದವಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಅಂಚೆನೆ 25 ಸಂಶೋಧನಾ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ PhD ಪದವಿಯನ್ನು ಒಪ್ಪ್ಯಾರೆ ಉಲ್ಲ ಪಡೆದು ತೆರಿಪಾಯಿನ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ MS ಮೂಡಿತಾಯರು ಕಾನೂನು ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಕೊರ್ನ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ಸಾಧನೆಗಾದ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ದ ನಿವೃತ್ತ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರು ನಿವೃತ್ತ ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತರು ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಉದ್ಯಮ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ಸಾಧನೆಗಾದ ಆಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಗೋ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಸ್ಥಾಪಕರು ಶಶಿಕಿರಣ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಮೊಕ್ಲಿಗ್ ಗೌರವ ಡಾಕ್ಟರೇಟ್ ಪದವಿ ಪ್ರದಾನಲ ಮಲ್ಪೆರ ಉಲ್ಲ ಪಂಡದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ವಿವರ ಕೊರಿಯರು.
Obviously, when you look at our university, would be the journey towards excellence of any university would be evaluated from the point of view of how well the teaching learning programs are happening there, how well the research has been happening at the university, and also how you are contributing to the development of the society. I am very happy to inform you that ever since inception, the NITE University is working very hard to improve its footprints in the field of higher education. So obviously the result of that is visible in the fact that NITE University is today recognized as one of the forerunners as far as quality education is concerned, which is reflected again by the NAC A+ grade. The NITE University is having NAC A+ grade with CGPA of 3.4. Similarly, the latest National Institutional Ranking Framework has put us at the 65th position. Ladies and gentlemen, you are aware that in this country we have nearly 1100 plus universities, 1100 plus universities, and we are ranked at the 65th position this year. All these things gives us great pride, and this motivates us to offer contemporary and industry oriented programs. What exactly we are doing the recent few years is trying to ensure that the curriculum we offer is contemporary, it is industry oriented, and also turn out new academic programs. For instance, in engineering, data sciences and artificial intelligence, robotics and artificial intelligence, cyber security, and many other data sciences and so on are the important areas that are emerging. We are offering graduate and postgraduate programs in that. Similarly, even for BCom, we are offering professional BCom program, BCom in business analytics, and also BCom in logistics and supply chain management. We are trying to reach out to the industry and trying to bring them to the campus, give them a place in our campus, and start development centers and centers of excellence in the campus. Mainly with many Japanese companies, we are working, nearly 25 plus Japanese companies we are working, and leading multinational companies from Japan like Nidec, Reed for instance, Nidec. Okay. Similarly, Kobayashi Create, Shibuya, and so many companies have already come to the campus. They have started the centers of excellence in the campus. Similarly, with Ashok Leyland, with the L&T, and many other companies, we continue to have our association, and centers of excellence are being started in the campus. The concept of center of excellence is a place wherein the companies come to the campus with their talent, equipments and so on. They invest in that, and then our students are given internship, faculty members are provided opportunities for research, and after internship these students find placement in those companies. I am very happy to tell you that during the last 1 year itself we have placed nearly 75 students in Japanese companies. This is something very unique about NITE. Similarly, with many other centers of excellence within the country and outside the country, we are trying to establish our contacts for the benefit of our students. We firmly believe that universities should try to offer quality to the industry in such a way that the skill sets that are offered to our students are the skill sets with which our students are familiar with, are the skill sets that the industry is looking out for. And this we are trying, in the recent past we have been investing substantially on this, and our Honorable Chancellor is very particular because he himself being an industrialist, he is aware of the importance of this, and he always believes that whatever we teach in the classroom to a very great extent should be contemporary. It should not only help the students in living a very fine life, at the same time that also help them in getting a good living. And from that point of view, this continuous effort is going on at the university. I must also tell you that in education there is nothing like competition. What we believe is we need to collaborate to improve our competitiveness, and therefore we are trying to reach out to centers of excellence even in education. So what we are trying to do is we have tie-ups with nearly 35 universities right now, and we are trying to increase this number because every university within the country or outside the country would be specializing in one area or the other, and therefore our attempt is to reach out to the best of the centers of excellence within and outside the country and collaborate with them for student and faculty exchanges. Similarly, collaborative research in the area of their specialization, and also twinning, joint degree and dual degree programs. I am very happy to announce here that this year we have tied up with Penn State, Pennsylvania State University, which is one of the top ranking universities of USA with more than 1 lakh students, a very large, and 27 campuses. We have tied up with them for twinning program, wherein 2 years the students study here and 2 years they go to the Penn State University. Similarly, with some other universities like Wollongong University, with Japanese Miyazaki University, and many other universities, we are trying to strike a similar relationship, which is symbiotic. It is rewarding both. They are also very happy about this. Now, this particular program is also recognized by AICT this year, and the AICT has permitted to take 60 students as a special quota for this kind of twinning program. That's another development. Ladies and gentlemen, I am telling about all these developments at the university mainly to tell you that as a university we are not maintaining status quo. It is said that we all have to believe in continuous learning, and similarly even a university should be a learning organization, and that's why the NITTE University is continuously striving to excel in the quality of education and research and the extension services we are offering. On the research front, I must tell you that in the recent past, substantial investment is being made in research. Recently, we are recognized as one of the 4 global centers for antimicrobial, as a antimicrobial research reference center. This is a great achievement, and there are only 4 centers of this nature around the world, and we also have the Aquaculture Biodiversity Research Center at the institute. You are already aware that we have an Atal Incubation Center and also Technology Enablement Center, which is approved by the DBT. This is another important achievement of our the university. And labs are being developed, whether it is the Central Research Laboratory at the Kshema, or it could be the NUCSER, a very special research center which is called NITTE University Center for Science Education and Research. And then similarly at NITTE also we are starting a central research facility. From nearby institutions also people can come and get the support for their research. These are all in brief. Maybe I will answer your questions a little later if you want to know a little more about this. So this is about the journey of NITTE during the last 1 year and over the last 4 decades in general, last 1 year in particular. Now coming to the number of the degrees and the different types of degrees that is going to be awarded in the 13th convocation, which is going to be held on 4th November at the Derlakatte campus at 4 p.m. We have in the 13th annual convocation, we are going to, as I told you, 2 honoris causa, I have already explained, and then number of PhD degree awardees are 25, then number of fellowship degree awardees are 3, the number of PG degree awardees are 397 different postgraduate programs, and then PG diploma 7, and the undergraduate degree awardees would be 822. In all, 1,256 degrees are going to be awarded in the 13th annual convocation of NITTE deemed to be university. Now, as far as the programs are concerned, this comprises of medical, dental, NITTE University Center for Science Education and Research. Postgraduate programs are going to be offered from this. Then undergraduate programs MBBS, BDS, BA Journalism and Mass Communication, BR, and many other programs which you are already aware of being offered in the different constituent colleges. Then coming to the gold medals, there are going to be 13 gold. In all there are going to be 31 gold medals. In all there are going to be 31 gold medals, and 18 are endowment gold medals. And of the endowment gold medals, medical 3, dental 1, NUCSER 2, and MBBS 2, BDS 8, BA Journalism and Mass Communication 1, BR 1, and then NITTE University gold medals. These are 13, one for MBBS, BDS 1+1, Pharma D, then B Pharm, BSc Nursing, BPT, BSc Information Technology, BSc OT Technology, BSc Medical Lab Technology, then BSc Biomedical Sciences, BA Journalism and Mass Communication, and BR. You know that annual convocation is a big celebration for any university. All the efforts our students have taken, all the prayers of the parents, everything is going to be revolved on that day, and we will be extremely happy to have you at the university campus on November 4th, 4 p.m. Please come little, maybe 3:30 or so if you could reach there, so that would be great, and if you could be part of our celebration, we would be extremely grateful to you as ever. Thank you, ladies.
ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ಪರಿಗಣಿತ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದ ಕುಲ ಸಚಿವರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹರ್ಷ ಹಾಲಹಳ್ಳಿ, ಪರೀಕ್ಷಾ ನಿಯಂತ್ರಕರು ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಬಿ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಸುದ್ದಿಗೋಷ್ಠಿ ಪೂರಕ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಕೊರಿಯರು.
We are introducing new programs for the coming academic year, which I would like to share a few details with you. And also we are expanding some of the existing programs in terms of the student intake. In the engineering faculty, we are introducing new programs such as computer science with a full stack development specialization, computer science with a cyber security specialization. We also have a new program, electronics, VLSI design and technology, which is kind of an emerging area as far as the intersection between electronics, computer science and communications is concerned. We also plan to offer a program in BTech program, electronics and communication engineering. This is focusing on advanced communications technologies. This covers areas like the 5G technology and the emerging newer generation of internet technologies. We are also offering master's programs in some of these related areas, and in engineering, keeping with engineering, we are tying up with some industries and industry-related edutech partners to bring in more industry connect to our existing programs. For example, the traditional programs of BTech in civil engineering, BTech in mechanical engineering, all of us know that with the growth in computer science and information science related programs, these programs seem to be taking a bit of a backseat. This is a global, if not Indian phenomenon. So here we are bringing in partners like Larsen & Toubro, who are going to help us in improving the curriculum and making it more contemporary. And we also in talks with Maruti Udyog Limited, it will also bolster our mechanical engineering program. So civil engineering and mechanical engineering program, we have specific plans from the coming academic year. In fact, the programs are already floated and admissions have been made in partnership with these industries like L&T and Maruti Limited. We have also introduced programs in with specializations in the traditional BBA, the business administration programs. So, for example, we have a program in logistics and supply chain management. We will be introducing a program in business analytics. So these are some of the newer programs that you will see in 23-24 from the University. In our existing programs, the MBBS program, the flagship program for the health sciences in the health sciences category, we have been permitted to increase our intake from 150 students per year to 250 students per year. And this means that we've had a massive upgrade in terms of infrastructure facilities. We have expanded our hospital. We have a new 110,000 square feet hospital facility which will add 300 beds to the existing facilities at the Delhi campus. The medical college has also undergone expansion. Looking ahead, we want to improve our programs both in the biological sciences and the pharmaceutical sciences which are offered from the Delhi campus. And towards that end, we are in the closing stages of establishing a new 60,000 square feet facility which will provide more area for research, for academics, and also for some innovative technology transfer programs. We have also added new services and expanded our institutional social responsibility activities. We have added, some of you may be knowing, NITE, one of the unique features about NITE University is its commitment to social responsibilities. There is no other university in India which has a network of 23 rural health centers catering to less privileged sections of the society, particularly in rural areas. We cater to almost about 250,000 beneficiaries through this network of 23 rural health centers. And in the previous 6 months, we have added one center at Ira near Muripur and one center at Shiva near Karkala. So these are some of the additions that have happened in the last 3 months.
Padil campus, that is BSc in Culinary Arts. The main concept of this program is where students will be taught about the recent concern by the stakeholders about the food. So during this program, they will talk about the preparation of different kind of food, mainly concerned about vegan. This is one of the thing in the present scenario where people are more aware of the usage of vegetarian during their diet. So in this program, the main highlight will be about the importance of using vegetarian diet during the whole course of period. So that will be explained in this program. The second one is the MSc in Clinical Embryology. That is one more program which will be added on to the bouquet of NITE University Clinical Embryology. That will be offered at our Shema Hospital because we have a in vitro fertilization facility which will add on to these students where we have a clinical exposure also, how that will be utilized in the clinical scenario. That is the uniqueness of this program.